friends, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, thank you so much for coming around. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You guys are just so amazing. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to prepare a remedy, a home remedy on how to bring back your sixth period. And in this video, I'll be needing onions. This is the type of onion. I'll be needing a brown onion and not the red onion. This one is more effective. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take out the outer part of my onion. Then thereafter, I'm going to wash and I'll start slicing it. Onions do much more than adding an excellent flavor to many recipes. Drinking hot onion tea will help to induce your period, alleviate menstrual cramp, and also act as a potent painkiller. So yeah, I'm done washing and just slicing it right away. After this, I'm going to add it to my blend. The next thing I'll be needing is going to be ginger. Ginger is a traditional remedy for inducing period and is believed to cause uterine contraction. So I am going to take out the outer part of my ginger as well, and I'll also slice it and add to my blender. In case you are experiencing this sixth period and you don't know, make sure before you start this treatment, make sure you're not pregnant, because if you're pregnant, this may not be that good for your fetus. Okay, so don't go and cause yourself more harm. So I'm going to add water to this because I'm going to blend it and I need that water into this. You can also blend yours, then boil water and add water to it instead of putting it on fire. But because I want to add parsley to mine, I'm going to add cold water, blend, then I'll add it into my cooking pot. So next I'm going to do is to add my parsley. You're going to wash your parsley very well. Wash as many times as possible to make sure it is clean. Parsley contains high level of vitamin C as well as apiol, which may help to stimulate uterine contraction. So now that I'm done washing my parsley, I'm going to slice into little pieces, add into the pot that I added other blended stuff, and I'll just stir it together, then transfer it to my stove and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Yeah, this is it, guys. You are going to do this under make sure the heat is very low. Turn down the heat to the very minimum. So while it's still on the heat, I want to show you how to boost your egg, your ovulation. In case you are doing this because you want to conceive, then this is going to help to stimulate your ovulation. You're going to boost give that boost, and you have a multiple eggs in case you are interested. So I'm just going to cut my okra, and I'll add it in something that I'll use the add water to it. Sorry guys, when I was doing this, my camera was off, so I've already added my water, and yeah, I'm going to put it in my refrigerator until the next day. So you're going to take this. You're going to start taking this after your menstruation have stopped. As you bring back your menstruation, then you want to boost your ovulation. Then you are going to prepare this. If your menstruation stops today, probably it stops in the afternoon, then you are going to prepare this and put it in the fridge or leave it on the normal temperature based on what you want. Then the next day you're going to take it first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before meal, or if you can stay for 1 hour before meal, it will be okay. And you're going to take this for good 4 days. Yeah, you're going to take it for good 4 days. This will help to boost your ovulation to release a multiple egg in case you want to give it twins. Oh yeah, guys, this, you see the wall is very clear, very clean, very transparent. Yeah, that is how it is, and this is actually good. I've taken it before, so it's not tasty and it's not bitter as well. It's just normal. There are so many health benefits of okra. So many health benefits of okra. It is important to note that okra is rich in some of the vitamins that have been confirmed to boost ovulation, such as vitamin C and folic acid. Folate is an important nutrient for pregnant women. It helps to lower the risk of neural tube defects, which affects the brain and spine of a developing fetus. So now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to strain my parsley, ginger and okra. So I need the juice, so I'll strain it. Do not click off, guys. After straining it, I'm going to tell you how you're going to take it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my lemon. This is very important. Even if you don't want to add your lemon in this, it's optional anyway, but it's very effective. If you don't want to add your lemon, you're just going to add one whole lemon. If you don't want to add your lemon, then you can just take lemon water. That is hot water and lemon, and it's going to be first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before milk. Okay, but I don't know, just try it anyway. But I know it also works, because sometimes, you know, I do take it when my own delays as well. When my own delay as well, I do take it. So I use my sieve to block the this thing called the lemon, because I didn't want the lemon seed inside the juice. Eating vitamin-rich fruits such as lemon regularly can help to reduce irregularities in period, and also help prepare your body for regular periods. So here I am done and everything is ready. You make sure that you're going to take this hot, like a hot tea. It's going to be as hot as that coffee that you always take. So it's very important, and you're going to take it in the night. Okay, you're going to eat your food very early, and after 3 hours you might have finished eating your food. Then you are going to drink this. Drink it very hot. Please don't drink it and go to bed immediately. Drink it and wait for at least 30 minutes before going to bed. You're going to take it only once in a day, and it's going to be only in the night. Okay, and this treatment is going to last for 3 days, only 3 days. Okay, some people who are going to experience that flow immediately they start taking this. Meanwhile, some are going to experience this 3 days after the 3 days treatment. After that, if it didn't work, then go and meet your doctor. Thank you so much for watching, guys.